Ever wished your WordPress plugins or theme came with better built-in help, or that you could just explain things once and have your users see it exactly where they need it? That's exactly what we're going to do here using AI Admin Assistance. With the plugin, you can attach help content directly to specific admin screens. For example, you can target a specific plugin page, a post type like WooCommerce products, or even a taxonomy or settings screen. We've got code examples and tutorial on our website, which we've linked to in the video description. So instead of sending documentation or answering the same questions repeatedly, you're able to answer the questions in your users' admin screens before they're even asked. You can even include links to further documentation, examples, or walkthroughs on your own website. Since the help content is added using a filter, if a user doesn't have AI Admin Assistance installed, there are no error performance issues, and you can let your users know that extra help is available in a quick notice or help link on your plugin dashboard.